Rail's Rail Fanning Adventure. On July 4th, 2024, we made a trip to Tweetsie Railroad. Pulling the train that day was locomotive 190, and we rode the train 3 different times. Our first trip that we rode, we hired the Hot Sauce Bandits, and the leader, Texas Pete, did the whole show in a British accent. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. If you've liked what you've seen so far, please give the video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to be notified about future uploads. Also, join our Discord. Link is down in the description down below, and channel memberships are now active. You can join by the join button or the link in the description down below.
Philadelphia for the U.S. Army. She served in Alaska during World War II and was brought to Tweetsie Railroad in 1960 to serve alongside locomotive number 12, the original Tweetsie engine. From 1918 to 1940, number 12 ran on the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad, or ET and WNC, between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. Folks back then used to say proudly that ET and WNC also stood for every time and with no complaint. During the troubles of the Great Depression, local folks joked that it could also stand for eat taters and wear no clothes. The train earned the nickname Tweetsie because of the sound of its whistle echoing through these mountains. Before we get started, I just want to remind you to stay in your seats while the train is moving, and be sure to keep your arms and head inside the train cars at all times. You never know when a desperado or tree limb might just sneak up on you. We want you all to be safe and have fun riding the Tweetsie Railroad. Also know that smoking is not allowed on the train, except of course for the engine. Our train will be leaving the station in just a few minutes, so be sure to stay in your seats. Riding the train with you today are the Tweetsie Cowboys and Cowgirls. They're going to introduce themselves to you and tell you anything else you might need to know. We're so glad you're here today, and we hope you enjoy your ride on the Tweetsie Railroad.
All aboard the Tweetsie Railroad. Casey Jones, let's ride. Train is clear, Casey.
sure to stay in your seats. How about giving the people in town a wave and a big yee-haw? On the right is the Tweetsie Junction with a handmade sign shop, and you can see some entertaining shows at the Palace Saloon. Over to your left is the Hacienda, where we'll be having lots of great special events throughout the season, along with some other surprises. Seems our cowboys have a little bit of business to take care of here. But keep your eyes peeled. You never know what might happen when a train stops in the middle of a wilderness.
Hey, Sheriff! Sheriff! Guess what? I got a birthday on my train car.
You do?
Sure do. Missing the order turning 8. Let's sing to her real quick.
All right, you start it off.
All right, fast birthday song in the West. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is your birthday song. It isn't very long.
Hey! trained since the day we've been out here before.
Well, deputy normally would come out here about 10 to 12 times a day,
Yeah.
but, you know, today's a special day, so more like 18.
Something's different. I got people to think up for something ain't right. What's on, old chap?
What in the world? Yeah, we better go check on that.
Okay.
Hold it right there, hold the whole shooting match. Now listen.
What?
I know that noise didn't come from that house. Where are you going, boy?
I tell you what, that's down the bridge, and I know where I put my case. I'm going over here, all right?
Really? I'm all American. Thank you. All right, folks, seems like my deputy's going to be indisposed and in the outhouse. So I'm going to need y'all's help. We've been getting reports of mask-wearing, unpatriotic bandits about. So if you see any of them, you let me know. You got it? Behind me. All right, I'm going to take a look here to my right. There ain't nobody there. Are you sure? Okay, I'm going to look to my left now. There ain't nobody there. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt that it's a special day, all right? I'm going to count 3 and I'm going to turn around really fast, okay? 1, 2, 3. Well, there ain't a single soul. I think y'all are just full of cotton candy. Now look, I'm a busy man and I got things to do. Lester! Lester! Why is it dark in here? Hello, Sheriff. Ow! Get me! Get me! Ow! Ow! Oh! Why didn't you tell me there was a bandit behind me? Come here, you. Oh, take that. Get out there. You want some more, huh? Come here. Take that. And that. I'm going to teach you a lesson, boy. Look what I got here. My very own sheriff. Now, what's the big idea? Don't you get somebody hurt? That is the big idea, Sheriff. This is a town in daylight train robbery.
Not so fast. I got to drop on you.
Not so fast. Looks like I've got the drop on you. Now get your stepping.
Who are y'all anyhow?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. My name is Texas Pete. This is my little sister Tabasco, and together we are the Flaming Hot Sauce Bandits. Ha-cha! Ha-cha-cha-cha! And my name's Guy, I'm here on train. Some of you, I'm glad you guys don't do it. Go back to the saloon and roll the truck. Oh, man. Now listen here, tea sipper. We don't want no trouble. It's not right. Trouble's you got. Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, all right then. Get over there.
Yeah.
Woo.
Way to go.
All right,
Let's go in here. What the?
He's going to get shot and caught. Queen must stand for this. Now, here's the conductor. Cut the music. Right.
It's the king now.
Give me the gold. We can't get you that gold. Why not? That's for our troop up there at Fort Boone.
That's right. You take that, they're going to be real upset with you. So you're in harbor again.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Those poor dainties are going to be sad if I take the gold. I don't care. Give me that gold. I ain't getting no gold for no mask wearing, unpatriotic, stars and bars and stripes hating bandit like yourself. Oh, yeah? Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, all right then.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Tabasco, we're going to be rich.
I know it, Texas Pete.
What will you buy with your share of the gold?
Maybe I'll buy, a nice pretty American flag, or maybe even a saddle.
A saddle? You can't even ride a horse.
I'm sitting there, all right. Be patient.
Hey, you two, come back here, Yankee Doodle. Answer that there gold box and tell me what's in it.
Hey, there's only 2 bags of gold in
2 bags of gold. I know those troopers didn't pay no rent for 2 measly 2 bags of gold. Where's the rest of them?
Come here.
Not
I'll
the
tell you
2
a
bags.
secret, okay? We have to put the rest of that gold on the Fort Boone yesterday. They got about whole cookout, okay? Yeah, don't tell anybody though. Clean up.
Deputy.
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you.
Sorry, I was
Yeah,
right
you
over
just
you.
told them all about the gold.
Go get an alcohol.
Oh, thank you, Deputy. Now, you two lawmen, get this gold on train and tie in. My name is Guy, and I'm here on train. Some of you, I think your cat's going in your jewelry. What? Roll your train. All right. Let's go take care of these people. My name is Guy, I'm here on train. I'm going to tell you,
taking care of them.
Take care of them in a mean way.
Oh, all right. You're getting a hot dog, and you're getting some cold chicken nuggets, and you're gonna like it. And I don't care if you're gluten-free.
Folks, these bandits don't look none too friendly. It's probably best to stay out of their way. Casey Jones, let's take the train to Fort Boone. Conductor on this train for a mighty long time now. And I've seen many an outlaw try to rob the old Tweetsie train, but not one has ever been successful. Till now. Doesn't look like anyone's coming to our rescue, and the bad guys have finally won.
You're lucky you don't come to these train cars filling off all your lovely passengers. Now you sit back there and you be quiet. Take this rope and tie those lawmen up.
Take care of it.
All right. Sure thing, Montana Henry.
What did you call me?
I called you your name, Montana Henry.
You stupid idiot. We have code names now. I am Texas Pete. You are Tabasco, and that there is Cayenne.
Tabasco Cayenne.
Yes.
All right, got it. Hey, you two back to that Cayenne people for there.
Right, Cayenne. Yeah. Go inside that vault and search it gold. Okay? All right.
I said.
Oh, right now. Sorry.
Yeah. It's a party in the USA.
Put your hand.
I'm sorry, Texas Pete.
All right, Tabasco. I'm gonna go this way. You're gonna go that way. We'll meet in the middle and find the gold. All right? Go in the fort and find gold!
Sheriff, I can't help but feel this is somehow my fault.
Yeah, it slightly is. Well, hey, Marshal.
What are you two doing out here tied up?
Well, you know, we got some unpatriotic hot sauce bandits running about. They tied us up, took over the train out there in the fort trying to get that gold.
The house on bandits trying to get gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of
That's
them from
trouble.
England.
England.
Yes.
All right. Well, how about the two of us go around back, see if we can find and wrangle up those bandits?
Yeah, and you guys find that trooper and see if he can't be of any help.
I sure hope so.
Going in.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, break! Yeah! That's
All right, trooper, where you at?
Dodgy Woggy!
Trooper!
Trooper! Trooper!
Say, listen, do you know where you're hiding that gold at officially?
No.
Where?
What?
Well,
Wait.
hey, you gotta give them that. They can't get down there.
That's fair, that's fair.
Now listen, we're dealing with hot sauce bandits. One of them's from England. Calls himself
England?
Texas Pete. Yes, he's a tea sipper. Now we gotta take care of him right now.
If they ever show up.
Yeah. I ain't gonna get lost for it. Yeah, I hope they don't.
It's here! Tie in, Tabasco! Tie in! Don't get beat by these. Tabasco!
No, we didn't get beat.
Where are you at?
Yeah, Texas Pete.
Did you find anything, Tabasco?
No, we didn't find nothing.
I found a hot dog, which is pretty good. I found a good smelling candle. Smells like the 4th of July.
Idiot! Get rid of that thing, Bobs.
No.
Did you not find the gold?
Uh-oh.
Is it even in the fort?
I don't know.
Yeah, well, you can ask the woman.
All right, Lawman, where's the gold at? Wait, how'd you guys get loose? We got loose.
How?
Well, them mighty fine marshals freed us to court.
Some marshals. Yeah,
There ain't no marshals in the United States of America.
well, they're right there.
You want to I ain't seen one
Right.
since 1776.
Turn around, they're right there.
Stop punching.
Right there.
You blasted fool. Stop punching. Let's get on! Let's go!
No, no, no.
Wait! Wait, what are you doing out there, Bob?
Let me lock the door.
Now, Johnny. Good luck, Bob. Hold the door down. They're in there.
I'm getting fired for this.
Deputy,
Get back! All right. Let's see what these bandits really are. Well, if it ain't Montana Hannah.
hi, it's Daisy.
And Mikey Bits of Nebraska. Well, Sheriff, I reckon you ought to take these outlaws back to the town and lock them up.
That sounds like a plan to send this one back to England where he belongs. Marshal, what are you gonna do when the rest of the gang shows up?
Don't worry, we'll take care of the rest of these.
Blanket hot sauce bandits. Acha, acha, acha.
Don't make fun. It took me a week to come up with that.
I don't care who come up with it. Y'all are going to jail and you're going back to England.
All right, Yankee Doodle.
All right, everyone, please return to your seats and how about a great big round of applause for the Tweetsie Cowboys, Cowgirls, and Trooper Bobs. Casey Jones, let's get this train on back to town.
Happy birthday. Good job, try again in about 20 minutes. See if I get a minute.
Phew, that was a close one. Well, let's head on back to town. I'll tell you a little bit more about the train. In case you missed it earlier, our train is being pulled by genuine gold Alaska during World War II and was brought to Tweetsie Railroad in 1960. Each day, our locomotives would burn as much as 5 tons of coal, use up to 5,000 gallons of water, making steam to pull us around the mountains. Many of the earliest settlers in the area lived in simple log cabins, much like this one. They're small and have dirt floors, but they kept the family cozy and warm through the harsh mountain winters. Tweetsie's own gem mine. Well, looks like our train trip is just about over. Sure hope y'all like what you saw. We'll be pulling back into town in just a few minutes, and you can treat yourself to some good food and cold drinks. Maybe take in a show at the Palace Saloon, Pavilion Stage, or visit one of our many stores and get a souvenir to take home. There's a lot to see and do, Tweetsie. Ride the rides at the country fair, head up to Miners Mountain and pan for gold and other precious gems. Visit the deer parks, and there's more rides and shows up there for little ones of all ages. Then, if you want, come on back and ride the train again. Things are always changing out here in the Old West, and you never know what might happen next.
Once again, please remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have finished rolling backwards. At this time, it is safe to exit out the rear of your train cars. Thank you all for riding with us and enjoy the rest of your day here at Tweetsie Railroad.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And ring the notification bell to be notified about my future uploads.